Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rachael Wanogho, also known as Rayche Riches. I hope you're doing good. How has it been? I just wanted to use today to talk about something that I discovered during my night routines and during my sleepless nights. So I've actually been looking for a way of, sort of like connecting all my links together into one link and make it easier for people that visit my Instagram page to have access to everything that I do. So you have access to my website, you have access to my blogs, you have access to my short stories, you have access to my YouTube channel and my online store. So having all these many links, somehow you always have to like be changing the link in your Instagram bio. So anytime you tell somebody, oh, click the link in my bio, today it's your website, tomorrow it's your shop, next tomorrow is your YouTube channel. So I've been looking for a link that would tie it all together, and I came upon this platform called Links in Bio. So Links in Bio is actually a platform where you basically sign up and then you create an account for free. You create an account for free and then you fill in your details and that's it, and put the link in your bio and connect all your other links, that is all your other links. If it's the links to your website, links to your shopping mall, links to whatever it is, you have everything in one place. And it's so fascinating. Like when I discovered it, I was so excited. So now I am going to show you a slight mini tutorial on how to sign up on links and have that same link on your bio. So let's go to my computer so that I can show you how to do it. Hi guys. Okay, so basically this is the website and the name of the website is Links in Bio. So that's lynxinbio.com. And then all you just need to do is go to the website and then you just see this lovely beautiful page. And if you can see on my right hand side, it's just how the link is supposed to be displayed on your Instagram page. And all you need to do is sign up. So because I've already logged in, this is actually my own account. So first things first, I'll just show you I'm going to log out of my own account and show you how to sign up. So you come here, there are three options: Links Basic, Links Pro, and Links Pro. So we are opening a Links Basic account with no charges. And then all you need to do is basically type in your email here, type in your password, and it will ask you for the primary social media account. Now understand that you can use this link for any social media account that you want to, but it's more popularly used on Instagram. So you click Instagram and then here you're supposed to have your Instagram username. So let's say your username is Rayche Riches. Okay. And then you click yes, I agree to the terms of service, and yes, I'd like to receive occasional email updates about links. And that is basically it. Like, it's not difficult. So I'm going to log into my own account just to show you what it entails. So basically you have, now my account is a pro account. So I have like three different options: content, style, and analytics. But for you, when you sign up, you're gonna sign up. Once you sign up with the Links Basic, you're going to see content and style, and then you have a master link here, which is this one that I highlighted here. This is the link that you're going to put in your bio, and then you're going to include a page title, whatever title that you want. I put mine Rayche Riches by Rachael, which is the subtitle. And if you can see on the right hand side here, this is Rayche Riches. As you can see here, this is Rayche Riches by Rachael. That is the page title and the subtitle. And then here is where you upload the profile image. So you just select any image. You can do this on your phone as well. You don't have to use a computer if you don't have one. Okay, so you just choose any picture that you want. And I already chose a picture that I would like to use here. And then these are the different links. And if you notice the analytics, it shows me how many people have clicked on my link. 20%, my YouTube channel, 33%, latest blog post, 13%, my editing and proofreading service that I provide, 27%, let's work together, 7%, and how I created this page. So you can also like add more links if you want to, but when you sign up for the basic account, I think you are only allowed 4 different links. So if you intend to add more links, then you can upgrade to a pro account if you want to. Okay, so basically, let's get to the style section. Now, there are different options. So either you choose, once you register, because my account is a pro account, once you register for a free account, you get 3 different options, which is the dark. This is the dark option, so your interface is going to look like this. Instant, your interface is going to look like this, or the instant dark is going to look like this, which I prefer the instant dark anyways. So if you're trying to decide on what option to pick, you can take the instant dark because I feel like it's more colorful. So, but I have a pro account, so I will just change that to marble. Or if you don't want to use the background, you can customize it. You can customize the background. So if you want to customize the background, you can upload a different picture of anything that you want. So I'm just going to take this picture of this beautiful pair of shoes. Of course, it's not what I want to use, but so if you can look at it now, you can see that the shoes are on the background of the site. So you can choose anything that you want, any design that you want. So there are a range of options, and if you don't like the options that are provided, you can upload your own image. So this is actually the background I used because I like yellow. It's very colorful and very beautiful. And then here there are other options for you to change the background overlay. So you can change basically the gradient. You can edit it over here. So if you don't want to use this image background, you can change it to this. But if you want to, so I'm gonna go back. Okay, so I've taken it back to the background that I actually want. And then here you have an option. If you're on the pro account, you have an option to show the footer or not show it. So that depends on you. So me, I chose to put it off because I don't want that. And then you also have the button border radius over here. So you can adjust it to suit what you would like. So you can decide to adjust it anyhow that you want. Okay, and then here is the final section, which is the most important part, and this is analytics. So here you have daily stats and monthly stats, and it basically shows you what is going on the link. So I have top cities here. So I have Durham, I have Lagos, Nigeria, Enfield Town in the UK, and Northern Ireland. So I've got top cities that are visiting my link, top countries that are visiting my link. I have the UK, USA, Nigeria, and Ireland, and I have top referrals. Okay, and then I've got the kind of operating system my users are using, and then the browser. This is just for you to sort of monitor, the activities that are happening on your page. So it's as easy as ABC. And when you have a Links Pro account, you can also customize your link. So I'm just going to show you. You click on the arrow here, the pen over here, and type your short code. So let me say my short short code is Rachel, and I save. Okay, so it is now linksinbio.com/Rachel. So if I go to my Instagram account and then you paste it here, so all you need to do is basically just paste the link here, and voila, that's all. So it's as easy as ABC. So let me know in the comment section down below if you need any assistance, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Rayche Riches for more information. You can also click the link in my bio or click the link in the description box down below for more details. All right, so guys, that's basically everything. I truly hope it was enlightening enough, and I truly hope you got the gist behind setting up the account. It's very easy and you can design it in any way you want. If you want more features in terms of the analytics, and you want more features in terms of switching up the background with a different picture, then you can upgrade to the pro account if you want. And in order to do that, you can click the link in the description box down below to sign up. Very easy. Click the link down in the description box down below to sign up. And if you have any questions concerning this, don't forget to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to help. I mean, it's just something I found out and I'm using it and I'm loving it, so I think you should also try it as well. So I hope to see you next Sunday or coming Sunday in my next video. I hope to, but if not, then I'll see you in my next video. I'm also planning to do a live transmission for Easter, so I want to know if you guys would be interested in chatting with me on live. So if you are interested, let me know and I'll see if I can come up online for Sunday, that is this coming Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.